Today I'm going to be talking about the democratization of big data or data and analytics, and the trend we're seeing for analytics capabilities to be moved towards employees within organizations rather than being kept in a central analytics department. Generally, I think organizations are getting better at using data to deliver new revenue opportunities, cost reductions, or regulatory compliance. However, in my opinion, very few organizations are world-class yet. Ask an organization what percentage of the data that they acquire do they proactively analyze, and it's unusual for the answer to be more than about 10%. Then there's a whole shed load of non-relational data that is available to the organization but not acquired. So we're still a long way off optimizing useful insight from analysis of big data. Most large enterprises are on the journey to achieving predictive and prescriptive analytics capability across their organizations. But what I mean by predictive analytics is the ability to accurately identify an event in the future, such as a purchasing decision, and to be able to influence it in your favor. Prescriptive analytics is the logical next step from predictive analytics, where responses to identification of these events are automated to improve operational efficiency. An example of this might be real-time location-based offers, where a customer's profile and their location are used to generate and position the best possible personalized offer based on their profile. Now, organizations that can deliver predictive analytics with a high degree of accuracy are exceptional, although we are seeing interesting results for customer analytics, churn prevention, and personalized offers. The Purse Group, a European media company, have achieved 92% accuracy in its churn prediction engine built on an Oracle big data platform. An interesting subplot that organizations are having to contend with is not just how to use data and analytics more effectively to improve their current business models, but what we're also seeing in the market is new, very well-funded entrants moving into new markets in order to acquire data. We're seeing organizations like Google move into the retail market on the West Coast in the US and operating at zero or negative margin in order to secure the valuable data about what customers are buying, when they're buying, who they're buying from, what are they spending, and where do they live. Organizations not only need to deal with improving their traditional operations, but also countering new entrants to their markets. And these new entrants don't always play by the rules or follow existing business models. But as big data adoption increases, I think that predictive analytics will become the norm over the next 3 to 5 years. And focus will move to how fast actionable insight can be identified and executed. Tools are already available that give employees the ability to visualize big data and to work with data to discover new insights. These employees don't need to be data scientists or Java developers. Once an organization has created its data pool and implemented the necessary role-based access and other security measures, the analytics tools can be made available to employees. We hear about how important it is for organizations to innovate and transform their businesses to take advantage of future opportunities. I think innovation is more likely to happen if you encourage all of your staff to think about how they can improve the business and you give them the tools to investigate how this might be done. There is still a need for data scientists and specialist analysts to do the heavy lifting and to look at more strategic aspects of delivering competitive advantage and operational efficiency across an organization. However, we are already seeing the democratization of data and analytics to make these powerful tools more readily available across the business.